we're back with another Mama Y special. Woo! Okay, Mama Y. So what are we going to make today?
Okay, we are going to make a fully cooked, bone-in, spiral sliced ham.
Okay, so you all know we had to do a video because the last time Mama Y showed you her new kitchen gadget, the Ninja Foodi. Just to let you all know, Mom took this entire thing to the store. She had it in the cart just to make sure this ham would fit in here. So, Mom, how big is this ham?
It's a little over 8 pounds.
8 pounds. Also, you know how the hams come with the honey glaze mix. Well, we didn't use this, right, Mom? Mom made her own glaze. And tell the good people at home, you know, what did you put in here?
Okay,
what did you put in here?
This is not my recipe, and my goal is not really to be a cook here, is to show you my gadget. Okay, now, what I put in it, and the lady, you know, that I took the recipe from, she put in like 1 cup of brown sugar, 4 ounces of honey, what else? Half a stick of butter.
Some hot sauce.
A couple of little shakes of sriracha sauce, but I put hot sauce, okay?
What kind of hot sauce did you use, Mom?
Louisiana.
Okay.
That's what it's called. Okay, and a ½ teaspoon each of ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and allspice.
All right, Mom. And is that it? Is that all before we start?
I would like
oh
to
yeah.
As well. You want to tell the good people?
No, Mom. This is you. This is all about you and your ham.
Okay. I put a little bit of this glaze between each spiral slice. Okay, I forgot to tell you. I also put in some crushed pineapple tidbits, which I'm quite sure you can see. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pressure cook the ham. And I put in a cup of water, and there's also some juice from the pineapple, because you always have to have some kind of liquid when you are pressure cooking. So I'm going to put in my ham now.
Mom, don't drop it like you did the turkey, okay?
Yeah, right. Let me see if I can get this fella in there.
Mom, I know you wash your hands.
Yeah, I always wash my hands. Always, always, always. Okay, now I'm going to put on one of the 2 lids. This is the pressure cooking lid, and there's another one that never comes off. It's the air fryer lid. Now, I have a hard time getting this on correctly right away, so let's see. This is the pressure cooker lid.
I don't think, there it is.
Okay, there we go. Now, I'm going to turn it on. And I'm going to start it.
Gail fancy.
Oh, pressure cook. This is the pressure cook side. This is the air fryer side. Pressure cook.
So if you all want a more detailed, you know, of how to work the Ninja Foodi, I'll be sure to link that video down below.
Okay. This ham is a little bit bigger than the people that I watched that had their own videos. So rather than the 15 minutes of pressure cooking, I'm going to do it like 18 minutes because it's a little bit bigger. So let's see. Oops. Okay, and start.
What's that mean?
It's building up pressure. It takes a few minutes to build up pressure. Okay, there's a little pressure button here, and when that's up, it means that the unit is fully pressurizing, and it is actually pressure cooking the ham now. And as you can see, I had it on 18 minutes. It is counting down. Okay. And so
how long did it take, Mom, before?
I think it took about 10 minutes to pressurize.
So when it was going in the little circles, it took about 10 minutes before we got to this point.
Right. 18 minutes. And it's counting down now. And once it gets to 0 or whatever, then it's going to have to unpressurize, which means you can do a fast release or a slow release. We're going to do the regular natural release. So when this button goes down all the way, we can open the pot. The little red pressure thing has gone completely down. Okay, we did a natural release. It took a few minutes. Then I kind of finished it off and did it quickly by turning this thing to the vent position over here. So now it's completely...
Wait, what do you mean vent position?
Well, it was on seal before when it was pressure cooking. And then I put it on and then to vent it, to let it depressurize quicker, I put it over here to the vent position. So the little red thing went down, okay? So that means it's safe to open this.
Hooey.
Yeehaw!
Looking good. It's looking toasty.
Put more glaze on it, and we're going to put it on broil. Okay? So
we can broil in the pressure cooker.
It's already cooked, but we want to get a little brown.
A little crisp.
Yeah.
Y'all, it was going to be too much drama trying to take this out. So we're just going to go ahead and glaze it while it's still in the Ninjafoodi. So,
okay.
Go ahead, Mom. The brush might actually be better, but you got this. You got this.
Okay, now we want to get a little char, a little crispiness to the ham and everything. It was already dark. We don't do too much. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on, turn it on. And I'm going to put it on broil. Says shut, okay.
Wait, which little thing is this now, Ma? This cap. This is the second lid.
This is the air fryer. This is the one that stays attached. It never comes off.
Okay.
I put it on broil. Gonna put it on just for 5 minutes. And start. It's on broil. As you see, this side comes on.
If y'all could only see how we struggle to get this ham out that bowl. All right, Mom. Okay. So
here we go.
This is it. As you all can see, it's so tender. Like this little piece like fell. It's like kind of detached from it. But I had a little piece, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if it's just because I was hungry. Nah, Mom, I'm gonna give you your props. It was good. Look, it just fell. It just
I wanna taste it. I haven't tasted it yet. Pretty decent.
Pretty decent. That's it.